Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this very beautiful fall set. If you guys would like to see how, please continue watching. So to start off, of course, I'm going to be taking my gel base coat. I'm using the iGel Beauty base coat and I'm applying a thin layer to all the nails.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out.
For the base color, I'm going to be going in with this iGel Beauty color called I'm Blushing. It's like a super pretty, like peachy nude color. And yeah, I'm going to be applying 2 layers of this over all the nails, except for the ring fingernail. For the ring fingernail, we're going to be doing something else.
Difficult, let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play, right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that.
Now I wanted to do some brown French tip nails, so I'm going in with Fudgicle by D&D, Old Terracotta by iGel Beauty, and this Rosalind shade, number 16. And then for the pinky, I'm going to mix this iGel Beauty color called Teddy Bear and Milkshake by Vanillissa. And yeah, so on the thumbnail, I'm just going to be going in with the darkest shade, which is Fudgesicle, and I'm going to be drawing on my French tip on this nail. And my whole goal for this nail set is to do like a gradient effect, so like the darker brown on the thumb and then go lighter as we go down to the pinky.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body, baby. I you do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you. Get you.
That Fudgicle color is a little bit streaky, so I did go ahead and apply a second layer over that and it came out like beautiful. So yeah, I do recommend if you're going to be using the shade to go over with 2 layers. For the index nail, I'm going to be going in with this Old Terracotta shade by iGel Beauty. And I'm going to be doing the same exact thing as I did with the thumb, just making a little French tip nail.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else, true. Nobody else.
So here you guys are going to see me mix that Rosalind gel polish with some of that darker brown color, because I want to make it a little bit darker. This Rosalind shade alone was a little bit too light for my liking, so yeah, I did go ahead and darken it up just a little bit.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I want you to know, but never fall out of love with you.
Now for my pinky, you guys are going to see me going with this milkshake color. In all honesty, I shouldn't have used this color. I have other light brown colors that I could have easily used, but I ended up doing it the hard way. So I mixed iGel Beauty Teddy Bear with that light color, and I just started mixing it, but even that was like way too light. It was like literally almost the exact same shade as the base color, so it didn't work out, and I had to keep mixing to get a darker color.
I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest, and I want it. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Now moving on to the ring finger, I'm going to be going in with this Blossom Gel by iGel Beauty. I'm sorry, not Blossom, Blooming Gel by iGel Beauty. And this is really just going to help spread out the white color that I'm going to lay down on the nail. And I'm also going to go in with this D&D colored, it's a platinum color. And I'm going to be applying that over the nail as well.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In in and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me, nobody else.
Here I decided that I wanted to go over that nail with some gold flakes, and here's where I keep my gold flakes. It's just some random jar that I got. And at first you see me using this like little tool here to press the little gold flakes into the nail, but I found that using my finger actually worked better.
What I can do, what I can do. Right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, like don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby.
Now I'm going to be going in with some little maple leaves, and I think I got these on Amazon, so I will leave a link down to them down below. And this is really important with these, you guys. I like to bend mine a little bit so they're not sticking up on the nail. Like, you want them to lay flat, so I go ahead and I bend them. They're really big, or they're not really big, but you know what I mean? These are meant to be encapsulated like in acrylic, so because we're going to be using gel, you want to get them like as flat as possible to the nail. And I'm going to be going over that with a thick layer of my gel base coat. And you want to go over it with a thick layer to fully encapsulate those maple leaves. If you guys have builder gel, you guys could go over it with that as well, or any thick gel that you have. You could even go over it with like a thick top coat, or you could do several layers of base coat. It doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that everything is well encapsulated. Now it's time for the bling, and you guys, I don't know what happened, but for some reason my camera stopped recording when I was blinging out the nails and applying top coat, so the video is going to end shortly. I apologize about that, you guys, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting.